Hello! In this video I will show you how to perform phone setup on HUAWEI Mate 20 Pro. So here you can select your language and then click Get Started. Now you have to select your region and then click Next. And here you have to accept your terms of use and then click Next. Here you can insert your SIM card or you can just click Skip. Now you can import your data or you can choose Set up as new device. Now you can connect to Wi-Fi or you can just click Skip and here click Skip again. Now you have to accept Google Terms of Service and then click Next. And now you have to agree to HUAWEI mobile services, and here you can set up device protection or you can click Skip. And now you can enable additional services or you can click No Thanks and then click Later. And now click on Enable and Continue. Now you have to click Try Gestures and then you can go through the tutorial or you can just close that and now click Finish. And as you can see, my phone is now set up. So that's it for this video. If you liked it, please remember to leave a like and subscribe.